Hello class. Today we are going to the next practical, that is the insertion and the isolation characteristic of isolator. Before doing any practical we have to first set microwave bench ready. We have to get microwave bench ready, means power is flowing through the microwave bench and we are measuring that some power is flowing through it and we are doing some operation on that power. So for all laboratory, the initial procedure will remains the same. Now the practical for insertion and isolation characteristic of isolator consists of: first, reflex klystron supply connected to reflex klystron mount, followed by isolator, waveguide and detector mount is measuring power on VSWR meter. The fan is mandatory for all experiment in order to cool down the heating into the reflex klystron mount. So how does it begin? There is typical procedure to turn on the reflex klystron supply as I have said before. First, make sure the all knobs are in anti-clockwise direction. Second, make sure the switch is on from the board. Third, make sure switch is on from the front panel. Make sure at that time HT is off. HT should be off at that time. Note down the voltage. The beam voltage is 1 and the beam current is 2. In the last video, as I mentioned, the voltage and the current should correspond to 0 or less than 10 values, less than 10 unit. So here it is 1 and 2. So they are barely minimum. In order to perform practical, the beam voltage required to emit sufficient electron is in the range of 250 to 300. So we will set the beam voltage. See, we have to now vary the beam voltage or everything whenever HT is in off condition. If HT is in off condition, everything will be 0. When we will turn HT on, only at that time beam voltage or reflex klystron will come into the picture. So now we are turning on HT. Once we turn on HT, the beam voltage by default is 197 last time. Here it is 190. The beam current which is flowing is 11 and the repeller voltage is 5. Now the amount of beam voltage required to emit sufficient electron is between 250 to 300. So we are setting beam voltage to 300. At that time we are noting the current because of beam. So the beam voltage is 300. At that time we are noting the current because of beam, it is 22 units. Now we are simultaneously we are keeping the modulation scheme as amplitude modulation and keeping the frequency as a moderate and amplitude as a moderate value. Then after we start increasing the repeller voltage slightly. Now what is our job? Our job is to observe effect of increasing the supply on the detector side. What is the received signal strength? How to observe that we will show in detail. Now increase the repeller voltage and see whether are you receiving any power or not. Once you increase the repeller voltage, now see there is some slight change into the power. Now what is that power? For doing any practical, we are supposed to set power between minus 30 to minus 40. It is the moment. See, look at this. at at beam voltage 300 and at repeller 168. What is the power on VSWR? The power on VSWR is, now the VSWR knob, here it is written 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0, and these all are indicated in minus. Now the scale over here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is 10. So now when here the knob is 30, means the power is in 30, 30 plus 0, 30 plus 1, 30 plus 2, 30 plus 3, 30 plus 4, or what? But minus 31, minus 32, minus 33, because received power is measured with respect to 1 millivolt. So it is in negative. So now what is the received power? If we see it clearly, it is between 4 to 5, means it is minus 34.5. So what is the received power is minus 34.5. Now whatever job we have done, that is, we turn on the supply, we set klystron, generate microwave signal, we transmit the signal, and we detect the signal. This is the basic part required for performing all practical. Though we want to perform characteristic of insulator, isolator, directional coupler, magic T, hybrid T, ET, HT, horn antenna, for any practical we have to generate power, and that power should be in the range of minus 30 to minus 40. So now here we could set it here minus 34.5. So here it finishes the first part.